I've never been the one to raise my hand. That was not me, and now that's who I am. Because of you, I am standing tall. My heart is full of endless gratitude. You were the one to guide me through. Now I can see, and I believe it's only just beginning. This is what we dream about, but the only question with me now is do
Many years ago, when you knew what I would be, you held my hands and walked with me, made sure the light would let me see. It was plain to see, although you didn't have to say. I felt your love inside of me, every time, in every way. And now I know that you taught me to be this way, to lead a life of one who cares by spreading love to people every day. So now I'll try to be the girl I long to be.
We were drawn from the weeds, we were brave like soldiers, falling down under the pale moonlight. You were holding me like someone broken, and I couldn't tell you, but I'm telling you now. Just let me hold you while you're falling apart. Just let me hold you and we'll both fall down. Fall on me, tell me everything you want me to be. Forever with you, forever in me, ever the same. We were standing in the wind, we were free like water flowing down.
Another summer day has come and gone away, from Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Don't stop your dreaming. Let yourself float upon an ocean. We can work it out. We can work it out, baby. Go ahead and lose yourself inside this opportunity that we gon' make it right now. Make it right now.
Hey, we live and we learn, we crash and we burn. Right now my only rhyme is this lesson I learned. You talk about trust, I talk about lust. It's not appealing as you truly speak your feelings. I'll be looking at the ceiling, so concealing. Should've put my heart on the table, knowing I was good and able, but instead I fed your fables. If I could have you back, best believe it'd be forever. Cause each and every day you will hear those 4 letters.
Don't stop your dreaming. Let yourself float upon the ocean. We can work it out. We can work it out, baby. Go ahead and lose yourself inside this opportunity that we gon' make it right now. Make it right.
Oh, Sheila, let me love you till the morning comes. Sing song. Oh, Sheila, no, I want to be the only one. Oh, baby, understand that I want to be the only man. But it seems though it's getting too hard, and I think I'll start to have my own fun. Oh, baby, it's plain to see that you're qualified to fulfill your needs. You think you're pulling over on me? Well, honey, baby, just you wait and see. And we'll sing, oh, Sheila, let me love you till the morning comes. This one I say, oh, Sheila, you know I want to be the only one for her. Baby, it's 1, 2, 3. I love you, baby, honestly. I want to dee-da-dee-da-dee. A dee-da-dee-da-dee.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day
Lean on me, we are not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gone.